Have you ever felt that the girl you were dating was slipping away from you? And was it already too late by the time you realized it? So how do you respond when it feels like she's pulling away from you? The truth is that women pull away because of how you make them feel, more often than the actual chain of events that transpired. How you respond in the early stages of her becoming more distant will pretty much determine whether or not you still have a chance to get things back on track with her. Number 1, try harder and chase. Men are often convinced that women pull away because of something they explicitly did, said, or didn't express. The truth is that a woman typically gets turned off at a subconscious level because of the way you make her feel. She could, for example, feel like she has you figured out, or that you are not interesting or challenging enough. A woman often takes a step back to test whether or not you will rise to the occasion. This means she is stress testing you to gauge whether you can stay confident and strong even when facing some adversity. It signals to her that you have the mental toughness to have her back and can be counted on. When a girl initially pulls away, it is often a guy's natural instinct to either try harder or even outright chase her. The minute you chase a woman or show her that you want it too much, it will often push her away even further and lead to a pretty painful rejection. So how do you resist the urge to try harder and chase her? Be honest and upfront about your experience. Tell her, hey, I really enjoyed getting to know you, but I would like to keep going. It feels to me like you are pulling away a little and are emotionally less available. Just be honest with me and let me know what is going on. Even if you don't get the answer or reaction you were hoping for, give her the space she needs. Occasionally check in on her and see how she is doing. Find ways to still keep the communication going and stay in her life. Also, try to go deeper to see if there's anything on her mind or any issues that she's dealing with. Be the anchor she can count on to guide her. Stay consistent and maintain your devotion despite the new dynamic between the two of you. But still, give your girl the space she needs.